Good morning, Greg here from Plus One. Now, I'm sure there are lots of R129 guys out there who probably have the same problem as I do. This engine still has a misfire, so I've got to tidy up the leads a bit, but the new leads, new distributor caps, they're all dry. New camseals, new rotors, new wiring harness. I've cleaned the throttle body, but you can, if you listen to it, see, there's the hesitancy still. I don't know what else to do. If you come around here and look inside at the tacho, so you see there, it should just be rock solid, but we'll see. It's a massive misfire. Now it's starting to shake. There's something wrong. I don't know, pulling my hair out, looking for help, but it's really shaking now. So this is, the temp's just up a little bit on it now. Actually see it visibly shaking. It's coming up, but it's just shaking. It doesn't inspire confidence. Everyone talks about how reliable these things are. This thing's been a pig. So the temp's coming up. It's really sounding awful in here. What it's been doing, oh yeah. It just gets worse. Once it gets up to operating temp, normal operating temp, that's when it cuts out. It just shits itself. Anyway guys, if you can help me, it's a 1994 SL 500. Not many Ks, under 100,000 Ks. No idea.